Welcome. My name is Rajendra Shinde, Associate Professor, Geography, and my institute's name is Vasantrao Naik Government Institute of Arts and Social Sciences, Nagpur, Maharashtra. So my subject is climatology, and the topic which I am going to discuss is structure of atmosphere. So first of all, we'll see what do you mean by atmosphere. Actually, atmosphere is the mixture of gases and it is composed of various gases, dust particles, and water vapors. Now, the atmosphere can be divided into five layers according to the diversity of temperature and density. These five layers are: first one is troposphere, second one is stratosphere, third one is mesosphere, fourth one is thermosphere, and the final one is exosphere. So this is the figure which shows the layers of the atmosphere. On the y-axis, altitude is given, and on the x-axis, temperature is given. And if you observe in this figure, in the troposphere, temperature is decreasing with the increase in the height. That we will see in the next slide. So now first we will see the first layer, which is troposphere. So this is the most important layer of the atmosphere because all the activities related with weather such as evaporation, condensation, precipitation, storms, lightning, etc. originate in this sphere. Around 75 to 80% of mass of the gases and nearly all water vapor and dust particles are present in this layer. Word troposphere has been derived from Greek word tropos, which means mixing or turbulence. Overall, we can say troposphere is the region of mixing. The height of this layer is about 18 kilometers on the equator and it is 8 kilometers on the pole. The environmental temperature decreases with increasing height of the atmosphere. In normal conditions, the rate of decrease is 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. It is also known as normal lapse rate. The region between troposphere and stratosphere is the next layer of the atmosphere. So the region between troposphere and stratosphere, which is only 1.5 kilometers in height, is known as tropospause. So in this layer, temperature increase in temperature and all the atmospheric activities are still or paused. That's why this layer is known as tropopause. The air temperature at the tropopause is about minus 80 degrees Celsius over the equator and about minus 45 degrees Celsius over the poles. The temperature here is nearly constant. Also, mixing of gases stop and hence it is called troposphere. The next layer is stratosphere. Stratosphere extends up to the height of 50 kilometers. The temperature remains almost the same in the lower part of the layer up to the height of 20 kilometers. After this, the temperature increases slowly with the increasing height. At the height of 50 kilometers, it becomes nearly 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature increase due to the presence of ozone gas in the upper part of this layer. Ozone absorbs ultraviolet radiations and that's why the temperature in this layer increases with the height. Ozone gas is present in abundance between 15 to 35 kilometers. This layer is known as ozonosphere. Ozone layer is depleting day by day because of human activities and weather related incidences do not take place in this layer. The air blows horizontally here. Therefore, this layer is considered ideal for flying of the aircrafts. The region between stratosphere and mesosphere is the third layer. is known as stratospores. The temperature in this zone is nearly constant. The next layer is mesosphere. It is the third layer of the atmosphere spreading over the stratosphere. It extends up to a height of 80 kilometers. In this layer, the temperature starts decreasing with the increasing altitude and reaches up to minus 100 degrees Celsius at the height of 80 kilometers. Air pressure is very low in this layer because the percentage of atmosphere present in this layer is very limited. Meteoroids or falling star occur in this layer. The upper limit of the mesosphere is known as mesopause. The temperature in this zone is nearly constant. The next layer is thermosphere. This layer is located between 80 to 400 kilometers above the mesopause. It contains electrically charged particles known as ions, and hence it is known as ionosphere. This layer is ionized due to the effect of ultraviolet, X-rays and gamma rays. Radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer, and due to this radio broadcasting has become possible. The temperature here starts increasing with the height. Temperature reaches up to 1000 degrees Celsius. It absorbs sun's X-rays, gamma rays, due to which auroras are seen in this layer. This layer is again um, divided into three layers. The first one is D layer. The D layer reflects long radio waves back to the Earth's surface. The next layer is E layer, which reflects medium and short waves back to the Earth's surface. And next is F layer, which reflects very long distance radio waves or intercontinental waves. Now, the last layer of the atmosphere is exosphere. This is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, and we do not have much information about this layer. It lies above the height of 640 kilometers, and only helium and hydrogen are found in this layer. The density of this layer is very low because of the absence of atmosphere. Thank you.